Hi everyone, this is Scotty, and today I'm going to be going over my jurisdiction mini lesson. So the jurisdiction that I chose was Washington State, and my fact pattern is that Eric Norton, he's a plaintiff in this case, he lives in Seattle, which is in King County, Washington. He was in a car wreck where he wasn't wearing a seatbelt and fell through the windshield. The accident was not Eric's fault because Eric had the right of way and the driver was speeding. Eric hired an attorney. Since Eric's injuries were severe, the lawyer demanded $300,000. The defendant's insurance company did not offer a fair settlement, and they could not come to a negotiation. So they decided to file a complaint against the insurance company and the defendant driver. So to figure out how to file a complaint, I went to the State of Washington Court's website, which is right here. I clicked on Superior, Juvenile, District, and Municipal Courts by County. I clicked on King County since that's where the accident happened. So I scrolled down and I found District Court. I figured out which court to file a complaint because I called the Seattle District Court. I'm sorry if that was not allowed. But you file a complaint in the District Court of the City of Seattle, because that's where the accident happened. So I visited their website. I went to more, and then I went to District Court. I clicked under court services. I clicked on civil litigation, and it gives you tort form instructions or terms of service for summons, civil cover sheet, and things like that. So that's how Eric's would file the complaint in the lowest court of King County, which is the District Court, Seattle District Court. So the judge did not think that Eric should get that much money because he wasn't wearing a seatbelt and he knew the risk of injury if he was not wearing one. And Eric said, no, I need my money. So he appealed from the district court. So to figure out how to appeal from the district court, I clicked on appeal instructions here. And I read where it says appeal instructions in a civil case here. To stay the enforcement of the judgment, you must make a motion in Superior Court or the District Court judgment can be enforced. So I googled King County Superior Court, which is here. And I went to how to file Superior Court documents. And how do I file Superior Court documents? I clicked on documents to the clerk, since the clerk would give the docket number and be the one actually filing the case. And then I scrolled down and clicked on clerk's papers for appeals. And then I scrolled down even more and I clicked on appellate case processing guides, which I thought was a good idea because it would give me kind of like instructions on how to file a case in the Court of Appeals. So I scrolled down on Washington's appellate case processing guide. On there, I clicked on Form 1, Notice of Appeal, and it gives me a template that I'll go ahead and open and show you guys. Here it is. Okay, so here's the template he would need to file, and it has a Supreme Court or Court of Appeals. He would be appealing to the district court to grant an appeal. So he would appeal to the district court to see if they will grant him an appeal. So the Superior Court said, nah, we ain't giving you that much money. So Eric was mad, and he appealed again to the district court, to appeal in the Supreme Court. To find that, I clicked on Form 6, Petition to Review. Wait, hold on. Where is it? Sorry. I'm sorry, Form 9, Petition for Review. And I think I already have that here. So this would be the form for the district court to see if his case could be appealed to the Supreme Court. So the district court did grant his appeal to the Supreme Court. So he used the same Form 1, Notice of Appeal, and he took that to the Supreme Court. I'm sorry, all around over here. Okay, so this time it would be the trial court where the original filing was filed, and then it was appealed to the Supreme Court of Washington State. So the Superior Court granted his appeal, and when he appealed to the Supreme Court, he won, because the Supreme Court said even though Eric wasn't wearing a seatbelt, the defendant was driving so fast that he was going the required speed limit, and still, if he was going the required speed limit and still hit Eric, Eric's injuries would not have been so severe. So that's how they ruled on that. I'm not sure how realistic that is, but that was my fact pattern. So there you have it, and thanks for watching. Thank you.